Alright, hello guys. It's a beautiful Sunday day, and today I would like to give you another update on my pond and my 3-barrel filter system. So as you can see, it's been 4 weeks now since my system is up and running, and you can see that the water is clear now. You can see the bottom of my pond, my fish. So it is clear to the bottom, which means this system has proven itself to be working nicely, just to give us some extra aeration. Yeah, my water lily is coming up slowly. One water lily basket down there in the corner. Alright, so we're coming up for the food. To bring the water level up higher, and I remove a quarter of a cubic foot of media, and I put that extra into my barrel number 1. And so here is originally was 2 cubic feet, now it's down to 1 3/4 cubic feet of media. And this pipe, as in my previous video I mentioned, is moved to the side, and the inlet pipe extended to the middle and pointing it up. That helps the media circulation, because I don't want to use too much power on the air pump. So like this one, 20 watt air pump, very nice and quiet. A little bit pricey, but works much better. I tried out the 30 watt Eco Plus air pump, but it was so noisy and it didn't work as well as this one, so I returned that one. I got this one instead. You can see here the old 4 watt pump. I'm using it for my second aerator outside in the pond. I'm still waiting for some more Pure Pond balls from UK that I will be getting it by next week, so I'm gonna add some more in this barrel next week. But for now, I'm really happy with the way the media circulates around in this barrel. Just to check our barrel number 2. Still a little bit dirty. What I've done so far is cleaning them once a week, but these are running for a week already, and they're still not bad yet, so I will just leave it for now. UV light still running. Okay, that's it guys. My moving bed is running beautifully with this 20 watts air pump. And again, my water condition is much better. Very nice and clear. It's very easy. All it takes is just 10 minutes of cleaning. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.